This niche is very popular these days. First, check this channel called YellowDude GravGear. Oh wow, amazing! This channel has 1.29 million subscribers with only 93 videos. On this channel, the creator explains different fitness exercises and tells you which exercises are good for people. Really amazing. I love this niche. And the best part? You can earn money from these types of videos. Check the videos. Almost all of them have millions of views. 4.1 million, 2 million, 2.5 million, and many more. So today, we will use a very powerful tool. But you don't know yet which tool I will use. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First, open ChatGPT. Once it's open, go back to the channel and take a screenshot of any popular video. Or you can simply copy the channel link. Then come back to ChatGPT, upload the screenshot or paste the link and ask, "Please ChatGPT, analyze this channel and give me 10 unique prompts. Make the character the same as the one shown in the image. Give me full prompts." ChatGPT will give you 10 prompts based on the channel style. Next, ask ChatGPT again. "Give me consistent character prompts in all thumbnails." ChatGPT will then give you the consistent character description. Copy that description and paste it again and ask, "Add this consistent character description to all prompts." ChatGPT will now give you the full and final prompts. Save all these prompts on your device because we will use a free AI tool to create fitness-style videos. Now open CapCut. Once it opens, simply sign in with your Google ID. If you have the Pro version, that's even better because it unlocks higher quality models and more advanced features. At the bottom of the screen, you will see two options: AI Video, AI Image Today. We will select AI Video. Choose the AI Video feature tab on AI Video. Here, CapCut also allows you to upload your own image to create a video, but today we are using the Text-to-Video feature because it gives fast and professional results. Copy your prompt from ChatGPT. Now open ChatGPT in a new tab. Copy the first prompt that we generated earlier. Come back to CapCut and paste the prompt into the text box. Select the model next. Choose an AI model. CapCut gives you excellent options. VO 3.1, Cinematic Movements. Sora 2, Realistic Environment and Character Motion Seedance videos. After this, click on Text-to-Video and then press Generate. Wait for rendering now. Wait for about 1-2 minutes while your video is being created. And then, boom! Your video is ready. Play the video with sound and check the movement, actions, and lighting. Most of the time, the result looks amazing. Generate more videos. Now switch the model to Seedance 1.0. Copy your second prompt, paste it into the box, and click Generate. Your second video starts generating. Boom! Your next video is ready. Check the muscles, the movement, the action. It looks crazy good. Repeat the same process. Copy the third prompt, paste it into the box. Generate the video. Your third video is ready. Character looks consistent, movements look professional, and lighting looks amazing. Now copy the fourth prompt, paste it, and generate. After a short wait, your fourth video is ready as well. Even if it's not perfect, it still looks clean and usable. Download your videos. Once all videos are generated, click on More. Download and save every clip to your device. Editing the final video, now go back to the CapCut home screen. Tap on Import and add all the videos you just made. Start doing simple but powerful editing. Add smooth transitions between clips. Adjust colors, contrast, brightness, saturation. Add effects to give a cinematic feel. Add background music that matches the fitness vibe. Add text overlays like chest workout, full body routine, etc. Once editing is complete, export the final video in 4K HD for the best quality. And that's it. Your professional fitness AI video is now complete. Today, you learned how to use CapCut AI, how to convert text prompts into videos, how to generate multiple variations, how to do simple editing, and how to export in 4K for YouTube. If you liked this tutorial and found it helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AI video making guides. Thanks for watching.